You're paying for coffee, but your mind is already in tomorrow's meeting. You're eating dinner, but the monkey is replaying that awkward thing you said in 2019. You're lying in bed, and he's suddenly planning your retirement in 2045. 5 seconds. 3 different places. That, my friend, is the monkey mind on a completely normal Tuesday. Scientists estimate the human mind produces about 6,200 thoughts per day, according to research from Queen's University in 2020. If each thought were one leap of Wukong, by the end of today he would have jumped from Hanoi to Paris without your body even leaving the chair. No wonder we come home exhausted while barely moving at all. Let me show you the 5 favorite games of an untamed monkey. The scroll trap. He gives you one quick dopamine hit, then hides the next reward behind maybe. Stanford's Persuasive Technology Lab calls this variable reward conditioning, the same loop used in casinos. The future freakout. APA surveys show about 43% of adults feel increasingly anxious about the future every year. The monkey loves this. One tiny worry becomes a 12-episode drama. The night raid. UCSF studies show an overactive default mode network makes it harder to fall asleep. So at 3 a.m., the monkey taps your shoulder and whispers, "Hey, remember that thing from 10 years ago?" The emotion explosion. Daniel Goleman calls this the amygdala hijack. The monkey presses one emotional button and suddenly your whole brain is on fire. The body ghosting. You eat without tasting, walk without noticing, live without living, because the monkey is somewhere else entirely. The golden headband was never punishment. It was a reminder. Every time the monkey runs too far, the band tightens, gently, and he returns. That gentle tug has a name in the Buddha's language, sati, mindfulness. And mindfulness works through 3 simple stages, the same stages both Buddhist monks and modern neuroscience point to. Stage 1. Notice the jump. Most people don't see the monkey move. They become the jump. Mindfulness begins at the exact moment you say, "Oh, there he goes again." That moment is the golden band tightening. It's tiny, but powerful enough to interrupt a 6,200 thought day. Stage 2. Return gently. When you notice the monkey has run off, don't yell at him. Don't shame yourself. Just smile softly and say, "Hello, little monkey. Come sit." Then return to the breath, or to the weight of your feet, or to the sound of this voice. One return equals one victory. Harvard, Yale, and Oxford studies confirm mindfulness quiets the default mode network, the very network responsible for mind wandering. Stage 3. Rest in the gap. Between 2 thoughts, there is a tiny moment of stillness. The more you return, the wider that gap becomes. One day, the monkey realizes he actually enjoys sitting. Still, he even starts smiling. That smile is real peace. You don't need 10 years on a mountain. You just need to return 10 times a day, 20, 100, until the golden band becomes your natural habit. Ready to give your monkey a little training right now? Stay exactly where you are. Notice whatever is happening in your mind. No need to change anything. Just see the monkey jumping or resting. When you're ready, softly return to the feeling of breathing in, out, again, in, out. One more time, in, out. See, even a moment ago, your monkey was quieter than he believed. Thank you for training with me today. If this helped your monkey sit still, even for one breath, leave one gentle word in the comments. Your kindness might be the golden reminder someone else needs tonight. And if you want to keep taming the monkey together, subscribe to Wukong Mind. Until the next breath, may your monkey rest and may you smile. Namo Buddhaya.